music. Onomatopoeia. Another fun word to say, guacamole. I like saying that word. I like making the sounds. I don't even like eating it. I just like ordering it. Guacamole, I say, and then I just push it to the side. I don't even want it. All right, everybody on board named Michael or Mike? If your name is Michael or Mike, raise your hand. Nobody? All right, that concludes the mic check. Let's get out of here. Wave goodbye to those amazing skippers on the dock. We are never going to see them again. Welcome aboard the very merry, holly jolly holiday edition of the world famous Jungle Cruise. Yeah, where we put the fun in no refunds. My name is Skipper Brian, but they call me Skipper Santa because my cruise is always slayed. We're starting here in the Amazon rainforest. I'm going to grab some of this Amazon rain as an early Christmas present for everybody. Ah, missed. Now, for your safety, please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. Parents, please supervise those children, because I don't want to. Right over here is the Temple of the Forbidden Eye. That's where Indiana Jones works. You know, he and I got into a little bit of an argument last night because I invited him to my New Year's Eve party. He said he didn't want to go because he didn't like watching the ball drop. They're not very festive, that guy. Oh, tangled up here. Oh yeah, look, it's my old friends from high school. Hey guys. No, they haven't changed a bit. There were snakes then, there's snakes now. Maybe they got a little thinner, but I'm not going to give them the satisfaction of telling them that. They know what they did. Welcome to the Indian Elephant Bathing Pool. Go ahead and take all the photos you want. They all have their trunks on today. Anybody tell me how I know that these are Indian elephants? Anybody know how you can tell just by looking at them?
Ears.
The ears is a good guess. It's actually because we're in India. It's the only place to see them. Hey, speaking of bathing, look over there. That's Bertha. She has been in that shower right there for 70 years. 70 years non-stop. You can tell from all the wrinkles. I'm not trying to wrinkle shame anybody, but somebody needs to see the back of dermatologist. Just gotta make sure all the little ones are on a seat or on the lap. There we go. I'm going to keep you guys safe as long as we keep with the safety instructions. I am an expert. I know these rivers like I know the back of my hand. So, oh, that's new. As long as we follow the safety procedures, I'm going to keep you safe. I'm not going to put you in any danger, I promise. What was that? Was that danger? Let's get closer to it. Everybody remain seated. I'm speeding up towards the danger. That's how I live my life now. Oh, yeah, it's dangerous. It's a department store on the day after Thanksgiving. Look at all these holiday shoppers. They are in tent, aren't they? They are in tent. Where are my Jungle Cruise fans? Who woke up this morning and said, you know what, Jungle Cruise, I gotta do it. Yeah, me too. Were you crying when you said it? Because every single day it gets harder to get out of bed, I'll tell you. Cold in the morning. Oh. What an opportunity this is, folks. If you look straight ahead right now, you will see the most stunning display of natural beauty you have ever seen in your life. There's also a waterfall if you're into that. Have a seat, please. There we go. That was a close call. We got really close to that waterfall. I almost decked the falls with the folks I'm hauling. La 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 la. Very festive joke. Welcome to the Nile River. These are African bull elephants. They're the naughtiest animals in the whole jungle. I've been telling them all year long, you're not going to get anything from Santa Claus if you keep acting like that. But you know what? They've been in denial, so they're going to find out the hard way. Welcome to the African Belt. We call this area the African Belt. In the spirit of peace on earth and global harmony, all the animals in the belt are living together in absolute peace and harmony. Even that family of lions over there, I think they invited that zebra to be part of their holiday meal. That's really sweet of them. Look at that. But he looks dead, tired. Probably had too much eggnog, huh? We're gonna let him rest in peace. Hey, Skipper Felix, it's his first day today. Let's all wave hello to Skipper Felix on his first day. Not going very well for him. I should have known he was due until he left this morning. He said he was going to go looking for the North Pole. I should have told him he wasn't going to find it in Africa. Oh dear, oh dear. Oh, he's here. Yeah, there's two of them over there. And they're in the trees. Nobody sees them. They're hiding. Oh dear indeed, folks. I just turned straight into the dangers of the hippo bathing pool. It's bad news, guys. These hippos are vicious. They have sunk 4 of my last 5 boats. One more and I get a free smoothie. Let's see if today's the day. Everybody remain calm. We're going to defend last I can here. It's okay, I got the two in the trees. They're ready to pounce. I'll scare away the rest of these hippos the same way I scared away all the ladies in the bar last night. I'm 47 years old and I work at a theme park. Yeah, let them go, look at them go. All the way around to the Quirky City, all lost interest when they heard that, huh? No, I'm good. I've been working on that technique every Saturday night. No, trust me, it works every time. But I just saved everyone's life. How about a nice round of applause and a big hero with a boat? Thank you. It's so nice to get some positive feedback for a change. You have no idea. I get nothing but negativity at home. My friends, my family, they tell me right to my face, Brian, your job's so easy, a monkey can do it. I know, yeah, right? So hurtful. And the joke's on them because those are chimps right there. I can tell you the difference between a monkey and a chimp, but you know what? It's kind of a long tail. Sometimes it's going to do. Speaking of chimps, some of the chimps got into entomological supplies. You know, those boxes full of bugs we've been collecting in the jungle. Oh, looks like all of the butterflies are accounted for, but there is a crate of fleas that's still missing. So if you feel any itching later on this evening, don't be alarmed. It's just the fleas Navidad. Festive, right? Fleas Navidad. If you get the fleas Navidad, just drink that eggnog with a chaser of Benadryl. You're going to be fine. Here we are at our star attractions, the 8th wonder of the world. It's the reason why you woke up early this morning. Here it is. It's the backside of water.
H2O.
O2H. O2H. That's the spirit. It's the backside. You get it? A little chemistry joke. I should have warned you guys. I do tell chemistry jokes periodically. Now they keep me in my element. I usually get a big reaction. Now, if you've been on the jungle cruise before, you're probably looking around the waters looking for those killer fish that tend to swim in this area. Well, you're not going to see them today, unfortunately. They're all gone celebrating that holiday called Veronica. The Festival of Bites. It's very exciting. They'll be back soon, I hope, but in the meantime, happy Veronica to all who celebrate. Well, here we are at our final stop. Of course, every attraction has to end at the gift shop. We all know that. It's Trader Sam's. I want to call your attention to that little guy spinning around in the corner up there. See him spinning around and around? He's been doing that for 15 days in a row. He is really trying to break that record. I'm rooting for him. That's my ex-girlfriend's record collection. Go ahead, break them all. She's not coming back. Well, here we are at the saddest part of the journey. I don't mean the part where I talk about my ex-girlfriend. Right up part right over there where we gotta say goodbye to each other. I know, I enjoyed myself so much with you guys. You know, I think I'm gonna go again. And again and again. For 8 hours. Every day. You're not gonna go for 8 hours. Soon you're gonna be walking around Adventureland, and when you are, I want you to tell everybody you run into just how much fun you had on this cruise. It helps keep our lines short. I really enjoyed taking down the jungle today. I hope you all enjoyed being taken by me. Let me rephrase that. That didn't sound right. I enjoyed having you in my boat. I hope you all enjoyed being had. No, that didn't sound right either. I'll tell you what. We're taking a lot of boats out today, but you guys have definitely been the most recent. Nailed it. That was the sentiment I was going for. Everybody celebrating a birthday today? Any birthdays on the boat? No? I don't want to sing the song anyway. Never mind. But I'll tell you what, I'll bet you we have somebody from out of town. Who's from out of town? Raise your hand if you're from out of town. Yeah? Where's she from?
Hawaii.
No, I'm sorry. No, I'm just kidding. Welcome. Bienvenido. All right, we have precious few moments together. I want to thank you guys for being an amazing group of guests. You've been outstanding. Really soon you'll be outstanding right there on that dock. When we approach the dock, we're going to keep those hands, arms, feet, legs, elbows too, everything inside the boat. I don't want anyone to feel any peer pressure today. Also, remain seated until we've come to a full and complete stop. If you don't know the difference between a full stop and a complete stop, I don't know, look it up and let me know. I'm kind of curious myself. I hope you enjoyed your cruise half as much as I enjoyed the cruise. That would mean I enjoyed myself twice as much as you. That's how math works.